You're looking at a 10-drawer Stanley Vidmar cabinet. It does have surface rust, minor surface rust. If you have any questions, you can contact me direct, area code 210-273-3394. We also have several more of these. Also, we carry toolboxes, all types of warehouse accessories, shop accessories, fireproof cabinets. We have quite a bit in our inventory. Again, 210-273-3394. We do have forklift on site for loadout. Loadouts are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time with an appointment. Like us on Facebook, Armed Forces Supply, our website, www.armedforcessupply.com. Thanks for looking.